If you are an Igbo in Nigeria Army, resign, because Nigeria Army will send you to come and fight your brothers and we will kill you. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my people, no be small thing o. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, may you rush now go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page. Don't forget to turn on your notification button for a quick update as you dey hot. My people, no be small thing. One Biafra Liberation Army don come outside for this video wey I go play for you here. E come talk so many things. E say they give am to Nigeria soldiers yesterday and even today they come again, but they no do anything, now they run. No be small thing. And e come talk say the person wey they capture yesterday say na Igbo guy and they no get mercy for am. Say anybody wey be Igbo or e be Biafra and you dey inside Nigeria military or Nigeria army, e say they will always send you to come and fight your brothers, and when you come they are going to kpai the person. No be small thing o. So if you get brother or sister wey be military, may you advise am, may know how e go take waka, make dem no send am go where e no know. Okay, may we go ahead go watch the video and we'll come back and continue.
Started. And we must finish it.
On the Enugu-Onitsha highway. Unknown to them,
It doesn't matter who stand on our way. One thing we can assure them is that anything that stand on our way will be swallowed by the land. Anything that fly on our airspace will be destroyed by the Biafra Ikuku. Soon is gathering.
Gawan, Obasanjo, Ritala, Yaradua, Babangida, Adekunle, Basa, Awu and their cronies, Britain, Russia, and Egypt were convinced that the Biafran rebellion was a tight play.
They always think that we are a child's play. They always think that we are joking. They always think that we cannot do anything. That is always their thought. They always think that we will not last long. They always think that they can win us. They always think that we are nothing.
These towns were behind the enemy line. These combatant Biafran troops were.
That is always their thought.
They were behind enemy lines. They were.
But we are here to prove them wrong.
Of the Nigerian troops, which could extend.
And we are here to tell the world that if they are waiting for us to surrender, then everything in Nigeria will die. Because we can never surrender. Neither do we, or are we going to retrieve.
The next songs are dedicated to Major Ananaba.
We can never surrender nor retrieve. I want to update you people concerning one conspiracy yesterday. You know, I came up the last evening talking about one Igbo guy we captured, and some people were saying, please pardon. There is no forgiveness in our dictionary. Believe you me, no forgiveness in our dictionary. Because somebody that come with gun and bullet to fight you doesn't want you alive, doesn't want you to live. And if you have a chance and you let the person go, you are the most stupid person, human being on earth. So therefore, what he sow is what he reap. He came to take life, and at the end, his life was taken. We are in our land. We are not in a strange land or in another person's land. This is the land of our ancestors. And if you know you are a son of the land and you gang up with the enemies of the land and you come to the land in which you are the son of the land, to take the life of your fellow brother. It is a taboo. It is arrow, is evil. And the God of the land can never forgive you. So I think it could have been very stupid on our side if we let him live. Because it is what he sow, he was reap. He must reap it. So it's also, I'm here to send message to those of you who still have your brother in military, because we discover that many of them that do come here to fight us are Igbo people. Igbo people. And we will not have mercy. We will never have mercy on any of them. Believe you me. If we catch you, we will kill you. Because you came here to kill us. And we will not allow you to kill us. So forgive me.
So the Nigerian troops
Tell him to resign.
financial gratification. Some became friends
Otherwise, he will die.
People wondered why in Enugu City, for example,
there is nothing that will save him.
Some houses and bound them
as long as he comes into the land of this Biafra to kill us,
belonging to Biafran soldiers,
he will die.
Some were houses belonging to landlords.
The same fate, the same measurement is coming to measure for us. Is the same measurement we will give to him. The same way when we catch Ohaneze, we catch governor or any politician or any house of rep, and then they bring death inside our land. The same fate they will receive.
Immediately after the war, it was very sad that everybody
believe you me, it's the same fate. All of them will collect money. Nothing will save them. So what I'm trying to say is that any measurement.
Okay, my people, no be small thing o. As you don watch am, hear everything wey he talk, and he say there is no forgiveness in their book. That Igbo guy that they sent yesterday, that they have given him RIP. There's no forgiveness, no be small thing. So guys, we go ahead, go read that wetin Simon Ekpa leave today in airspace, no be small thing. Simon Ekpa say breaking news. The Biafra Liberation Army is currently engaging the terrorists. Hashtag at Nigeria Army and the terrorists in order is to bring the fighter jet down. No be small thing o. They say Biafra Liberation Army, they engage them, they give them woto for inside that place. So we go play you one video. But that video we go try make we cover am because of violation. But I want make you hear wetin dey talk. If you are an Igbo, if you no be Igbo, wetin dey talk for that video, they show the blood of those ones wey they kpai yesterday. So na wetin they show for that video. I will not open the video full, but I want make you hear wetin they talk for that particular video. Okay, make we watch the video, then we'll come back and continue.
Today, Tuesday, 29 August 2023, ndị zoo bịara anyị wụọ ihe ọbụla ọbara ha dị ihe a emere ihe ekwensu taa. Maazị bute ụzọ ụmụ gị mere ihe ekwensu today, ihe bụ ogbu na igwe ọbara ha agba dị ihe ọbara ha dị ihe a.
Okay, my people, we are sorry we could not open that video because the video is kind of disgusting and it's a very big violation. They are already fighting this page to bring it down, but we keep pushing. So this is the reason why you have to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel immediately. In case of if we don't see us here, we can update you on YouTube and you follow our next page. There's no going back in bringing you news of what is happening all over the world, especially in Biafra land. Okay, my people, no be small thing o. Na so we see am for today video, and they say no be small thing happen for that side. Wetin you go do, make you share this video and share it so that other people go know wetin dey go on, since their media have refused to be showing what is going on. So we are bringing you the update as e dey happen and as e dey hot. Remember say information na im be the key o. Guys, stay tuned wey we dey bring you more update dey come. Oya, make you no forget to subscribe and also go, and we are going to leave the link of our YouTube in this particular, in down of this video, in the comment section, so you go there and click it and go direct and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.